Ever wanted to unlock the hidden potential of your GPS data and bring your outdoor adventures to life on your computer screen? Today, we're diving into Basecamp to show you exactly how to import those valuable map files from your Garmin GPS device, giving you the power to review, plan, and archive your adventures with ease. Let's get started. First, connect your Garmin GPS device to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure your device is powered on, so your computer can recognize it. Now, open Basecamp. On the left-hand side, you should see a section titled Garmin Devices. Click on this to expand the list of connected devices. Locate your specific GPS device in the list. Once you've found it, click on it. This will initiate the process of Basecamp reading the data from your device. Basecamp will now begin to load all the data stored on your GPS device, including your waypoints, routes, tracks, and of course, those all-important map files. Once the data is loaded, you will see your map files displayed within Basecamp. They'll be integrated with your other GPS data. Now you can explore your recorded tracks, review waypoint locations, and analyze your routes in detail. Basecamp provides a powerful platform for trip planning and post-adventure data review. Use Basecamp's tools to create new routes, mark waypoints for future trips, and archive your past adventures for safekeeping. You can also export data from Basecamp to various formats for use in other applications or to share your adventures with friends. And that's it. You've successfully loaded your files into Basecamp, opening up a world of possibilities for managing and analyzing your GPS data. Happy exploring!